32 real money earning apps in India without investment money bag, 2024. Earning apps total instais earnings per monthly. IRN diesel plus 30,000 50,000. Taskbox 1 CR plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. Swagbox 50L plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. Razdan 1 CR plus up to 5,000 Indian rupees. Cointepli 10L plus up to 2,500 Indian rupees. Current rewards 1 CR plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. Pocket money 1 CR plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. The panel station 10L plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. Google opinion rewards 5 CR plus up to 500 Indian rupees. Streetbees 10L plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. Taurus 50L plus up to 5,000 Indian rupees. Earneasy 50L plus up to 2,500 Indian rupees. Rupiyo 10L plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. Feature points 1 CR plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. Cash Baron 500K plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. Polpay 100L plus up to 2,500 Indian rupees. Adapol 100L plus up to 2,500 Indian rupees. Taloco 1 CR plus up to 2,500 Indian rupees. Tapcent 500K plus up to 2,500 Indian rupees. Moneytree rewards 50L plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. Freecash 10L plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. Inbox dollars 50L plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. Growfitter 10L plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. Make Money, cash earning app 100L plus up to 2,500 Indian rupees. Loco 100L plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. MCent 100L plus up to 5,000 Indian rupees. Userfeel 100K plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. Dash 10L plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. Uspeak We Pay 500K plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. Ysense 10L plus up to 2,500 Indian rupees. Healthy Wage 100K plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees. Frizza 50L plus up to 3,000 Indian rupees.